Hello everybody! Today, I have a microphone. Why? Because if I do not use the microphone, my voice will sound like this. So, today I'm going to be reading a book called My Cat, My Dog. Okay, let's begin. My cat is a good cat. My dog is a good dog. My cat thinks my dog is not a good dog. Woof, woof. My cat can play. My dog can play. My cat will not play with my dog. Rawr, rawr. Woof, woof. My cat can run. My dog can run. My cat can run away from my dog. My cat is funny. My dog is funny. Woof, woof. My cat thinks my dog is not funny. Grr, grr. My cat can jump. My dog can jump. My cat can jump up here. My cat can go in the box. My dog can go in the box. So I think this book is mostly just about a cat and a dog and what they can do. Yeah, that's basically it. I don't know why I'm not holding my microphone too close to myself. I don't know if that makes any sense, but whatever. Okay, let's continue. My cat will not go in the box with my dog. My cat can sleep. My dog can sleep. And then the cat is right now sleeping quietly. As you can see, the tiny Z's in the corner. And then the dog is like zzz, zzz. I don't know how to pronounce that. Okay. Zzz, zzz, zzz. My cat can sleep on my dog. So that's the end of the book. If you want to read these, feel free to pause the video and then read it for yourself. Okay, let's go back. So, I hope you like this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!